Hi there and welcome back. So for today's video, I am going to create a Halloween manicure. So this is actually a collab to us Triple D ambassadors. So it is going to be a spider or web nails. So I am going to use some of these colors, and the first color that I'll be using is Into the Night. So this is the dip powder because they also have a Into the Night gel. So I'm going to use Triple D dip base and will be applying this color on my pointer, middle, and ring fingers. So far, this is really my favorite black dip powder because first, it is really pigmented, and the most important part is that it doesn't stain. So even though I do have like excess powders in there, it doesn't stay. So I love that because I noticed with some black dip powders that I tried before, it stains my cuticle area. So this is just a regular black dip powder because Triple D has a lot of, a variety of black dip powders. Some are thermal changers, some are glow in the darks, but I just prefer to use just plain black. So this is just with one full coat. I am going to add one more coat to make it more pigmented, and this is how it looks like. So for the next color, the glitter, I'll be using Phoenix Ember. So I'll be applying this on my thumb and on my pinky finger. So same as the black, I also be applying 2 layers. So after applying these colors, I am now going to move on with the next one, which is Fire Flakes. So for this powder, I am just going to get the flakes because this has a black base as well. So I'll just be picking up those gorgeous flakes. So first, I am applying the paste on the side of my nails only. So I am going to apply those flakes in there. So I am just going to do that and let you guys watch, and I will be back. So now I am going to clear and encapsulate all of this, and this is after I did that. Next step, I'll be applying Triple D Activator. and let this dry and do all my filing and shaping off cam, and this is after I did that. So now I am going to put some rhinestones, and I'll be using this to adhere those crystals. So the rhinestones are going to be the body of the spider. So I've seen this a lot from Instagram and Pinterest, where they use crystals to like mimic the spider. So instead of like painting it, so I just figure out why not use rhinestones, since it will look nice and create more dimension to the nail. So that is the body, and now I am attaching the head. And that is how it looks like. So for the feet, I am going to paint that later, but first I am just going to flash cure it so that it won't move. But before we go to the feet, I am just going to do some stamping for the web. So I am using So Metal polish, stamping polish from MANIOLOGY. And after that, I will be applying MANIOLOGY sticky base coat so that I do have a sticky base underneath, and so that the image will adhere to my nail. So for the legs of the spider, I'll be using the same stamping polish, and I will be hand painting it, and I did that off cam because I need my nails to be near my face and my hands, and it's really hard to do that when you are filming. So I just draw it with using a fine liner brush. So I am now top coating everything, and we'll be applying some more gems later, and afterwards I'll be curing it in the lamp. So this is after I cured everything. So now I am going to apply cuticle oil, and this one is from Scales of a Mermaid. And I am done, and here is the finished look. So I created a pink and black web spider manicure because that is the branding of Triple D, and I really love how this mani turned out. So yeah, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and see you. Bye!